Here is my 2010 Eastern Cobra. If you can see right there, that sticker. Beachwood bikes. Can't really. I got my 19 to 24 sprocket spoke. These little pointy things on it. I got my Eastern pedals. Got two of them to be exact. And this. See it? Disgusting. I'm just kidding. That. But look at this. Look at this. I just put my finger around here once. Look what pops up. For this in the light. So much dirt is on my finger from that bike. Well, I got my. If you can see that, can't zoom in. I'll try. No, I can't. Eastern handlebars with the grips, and the brake lever, and just my brakes. Forks and a bent front rim, getting a new rim. Got this, my cranks, back tire, and my back rim. It's not bent, and I've got to show you how how much my seat wiggles. Yeah, but that's pretty much it for my bike check. It just rides good with a bent front rim, really bent. That's pretty much it on it. Oh yeah, and I got my back hub and a front hub. You can see that up there. You should. That's it. Alright. Remember, subscribe up top, and on the bottom, post your comments, give it a thumbs up, rate, dislike. You can dislike it if you want, but for me, I'm choosing not for you guys to